everybody, this is Josh Abdi, the CEO here at Manna Cooking, and I'm here to give you a quick demo of just some of the coolest features of our app. Let's go. So you'll see here our landing page. This is our swipe mode. We're borrowing the logic of things like Tinder and Bumble and other popular dating apps. Swipe right will let the recipe creator know that you like their recipe. Swipe left lets our system know that it's not for you. And swipe up will not only like the recipe, but will instantly save it to your own personal cookbook where you can create meal plans and organize your recipes. And once I go inside the recipe, you can see some of these ingredients are flagged red. That means that they're no good for my diet. I personally have IBS. Everyone eats differently, and I can customize the recipe to meet my own needs. So I can go ahead and hit copy and edit, and here I can change anything: prep time, cook time, servings, ingredients, description, dietary tags, you name it. And in this case, I'm going to go into the ingredients. I'm going to remove garlic and remove onions, and then save it. And now I have an IBS-friendly version of this recipe, which I can tag as such to let other people in the community who have similar issues know that. Any recipe you see, even after you customize it, is instantly shoppable on Amazon Fresh. Wherever you see a grocery cart icon or the words shop now, all you have to do is click it, and we will handle the rest automatically. We will send you over to Amazon, and we will send you the correct quantities of every ingredient. All you have to do is go through, make sure you're happy, and even you can take a look. You can swap out any of these for different brands that you might prefer. And in relevant ingredients, we'll sometimes suggest things like sugar, butter, pepper, salt automatically. All you have to do is hit add items to cart, go into your cart, forgive my very full cart from doing this many times, and hit checkout, and the recipe will arrive at your door. No more 9 middlemen and no picking ingredients one at a time for your weekly shopping. I think there's some other really amazing touch points where you can discover recipes and make your own versions here on Manna. Our Discover feed, this is a place where people can not just post aspirational photos and videos of their food, but also you can see here, this isn't just delicious cookies, but it's also actually the recipe for those cookies attached to the content. And if I'm happy with this, again, all I can do is just hit the shopping cart, and I can add this directly to my cart on Amazon, and I'll have cookies on their way in a couple of hours. There's some really other amazing touch points. If you want us to suggest some things, we have our grocery tab where we pick out some of the more popular recipes that are instantly shoppable. Or if you're looking for something really custom, you can go into our search environment here in the top right, and you can search by any methodology that you'd like. So for example, if I want an easy recipe, but I also want that recipe to be vegan, and I also want it to be cheap, this will show me easy, vegan, cheap recipes, and that allows me to kind of customize my search to whatever my needs or interests might be. And again, all I have to do is just pick a recipe that looks good to me. And if I like the look of it, all I have to do, hit the shopping cart, and Manna handles the rest. And that's just a quick demo of some of the features here on Manna. Lots more amazing things to see. But in the meanwhile, hope you enjoyed.